Hello friends, what's up? Welcome you all to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is simile, and simile is a very basic concept, and actually you have also came to know about simile in our previous lectures like symbol and all and imagery. So simile is a very simple concept, and within 10 minutes I'm going to tell you what is simile. Already you know simile, so let's get started. So first we are going to start with the definition of simile. And what is simile? So simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison. It makes a comparison showing similarities between two different things. Unlike a metaphor, a simile draws resemblance with the help of the words like or as. Therefore, it is a direct comparison. So it is a different from metaphor. So what is metaphor? In the metaphor, one applies all the similarities, with a person to another person. So it is called metaphor. But in simile, we can see that it is a just little bit comparison about the similarities. For example, she looks like her mother. She is beautiful like her mother. He is tall as his father. Okay, like that you can speak. And when you speak like that, she is beautiful like her mother, it means that you are comparing the similarities between her and her mother, and you are comparing the tallness, that is the feature of him and his father. So it is called as a simile. So I hope that you understood the definition of simile. So we can find simile examples in our daily speech. We often hear comments like John is as slow as a snail. Snail, that is Google guy. It means that John walks very slowly. He walks very slowly like a snail. So snails are notorious for their slow pace. कारण त्यांना पाय नसतं, ते आपले पोटावर साप कसा सरपडतो. Likewise, snails also just move ahead because of their stomach. Okay, ते आपल्या पोटाला पुश करतात आणि ते चालतात. And here the slowness of John is compared to that of a snail. The use of as in the example helps to draw the resemblance. So now we know the definition of simile. Let's look at some examples of common similes. So these are the common examples of similes. For example, our soldiers are as brave as lions. So you understood that. Okay, our soldiers are as brave as lions. It means that lions are brave, so our soldiers also brave like lions. If you want to use metaphor here, so you can say that our soldiers are lions. So within the one sentence you can say the similarities between lions with the soldiers in the metaphor, but in the simile you have to use like or as word. Another words are her cheeks are red like a rose. So here her cheeks are red. You know that the white woman's cheek, okay, they became reddish when when she shy. So it like a rose. Okay, so Indian women, I don't show that their cheeks became red, because actually you know that if you look at the heroines, Bollywood heroines or Tollywood heroines, they apply the makeup on their cheeks, so therefore they becomes reddish. Okay, it was a fun, just forget it. Okay, so he is as funny as a monkey. So you know that the monkey is very funny animal. So it just scratch on his body. Okay, आपला खाजवतो मस्त लागे आणि उड्या मारतो इकडं. He jump here and there. So likewise, here is a comparison of monkeys with the hay. The water well was as dry as a bone. ज्या प्रकारे पूर्णपणे सुकलेलं असतं, पाण्याचं एक थेंब नाही आहे, अशा प्रकारची जी वीर आहे ती पूर्णपणे कोरडी पडलेली. लाईकवाईज ही इज अ कनिंग ॲज अ फॉक्स. फॉक्स म्हणजे कोला. कनिंग म्हणजे अत्यंत हुशार, अत्यंत चालाक. So he is as cunning as a fox. Okay, so simile introduces vividness into what we say. Authors and poets utilize simile to convey their sentiments and thoughts through vivid word pictures. So let's start with the short examples of simile in a sentence. The glow of the tube light was as bright as the sunlight. In winter, when it rained, He climbed into bed and felt as smug as a bug in a rug. So you can see that how the simile is used in this sentence. At exam time, the high school student was as busy as a bee. Okay, so you can see काय गंमत आहे बघा या शब्दांमध्ये, या वाक्यांमध्ये. The beggar on the road looked as blind as a bat. When the examination finished, the candidate felt as light as a feather. Okay, so let's start with the examples of simile in literature. So here I have given you 3 examples. The first example is from Lord Jim. It is a novel written by Joseph Conrad, and this is the one sentence you can look at here. I am reading it, you also read. I would have given anything for the power to smother her frail soul, tormenting itself in its invincible ignorance, like a small bird beating about the cruel wires of a cage. So in these lines from Lord Jim, the helplessness of the soul is being compared with the bird in a cage, beating itself against the merciless wires to be free. But the bird cannot free from the cage. Likewise, the soul cannot be free from the body. So second example is another novel. This novel is written by Virginia Woolf, and the name of this novel is To the Lighthouse. Okay, just I am going to read the sentence, you also read it. Impressions forward in upon her of those two men, and to follow her thought was like following a voice which speaks too quickly to be taken down by one's pencil. In the above example of simile, Mistress Woolf makes the point that her thoughts are different to follow and cannot be written quickly enough. So example third is Lolita. This novel is written by Vladimir Nabokov. I am going to read this sentence of this novel. Elderly American ladies leaning on their cans listed towards me like a towers of Pisa. This simile produces a humorous effect by comparing old women leaning on walking sticks with the ancient leaning for tower of Pisa. So again, the example 4 is poetry. So previous examples were from novels. Now we are going to see the examples from the poetry. So Red Rose by Robert Burns, and actually I have also told you about this one line of this poetry in the symbol. So now we are going to see the another next lines of that poem. Oh my love's like a red rose. That is the first line we have seen in the symbol. That is newly sprung in June. Oh my love's like the melody that is sweetly played in tune. So here Robert Burns uses a simile to describe the beauty of his beloved. He says that his love is a fresh red rose that blossoms in the spring. And actually it is also melody, musically also there, and is played in tune, and it is very sweet tune. Okay, is a melody. So example 5, The Daffodils by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over valleys and hills. The poet envisions himself as a free cloud that floats alone in a blue sky above valleys and the mountains. By choosing this simile, Wordsworth describes his loneliness. So again, we are going to discuss the examples of drama also. So example 6, sonnet 18, not drama, actually poetry, sorry. So sonnet number 18, which was written by William Shakespeare. A significant thing to consider here is that at times simile is drawn without using the words as or like. So you must think in here that there is no word like as and like, but again there is a simile. Consider the following examples. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough wind to do shake the darling birds of May, and summer's leaves had all too short a date. Sometime too hot the eye of heaven shines, and often is his gold complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometimes declines. In the very first line, Shakespeare poses a question if he should compare his beloved to a summer's day. But then he rejects this idea and says that his beloved is better than that. This is the example of extended simile, is an example of extension simile. So I hope that you understood simile, But if you have any kind of queries, any kind of problem, please make in comment section, and please fill up the attendance cum quiz form every day, because it helps me to keep record of your attendance. So thank you for watching, and we will meet in our next video. Thank you.